So now we'll discuss the photodiode. What is a photodiode? The working principle of the photodiode, and we have let us discuss that these are the four different topics. That is, photodiode work with the reverse bias, and also we'll discuss the reverse bias saturation current and uses of the photodiode. Uses as a counter. How it will be used as a counter. Now here, photodiode is nothing but is an analog electronic device which convert the light energy into electrical energy. Okay, so you convert light energy into electrical energy. And what is the basic principle of this diode? It works. It's similar to the PN junction, but small white difference will be provided in this type of diode. That is photo detector area. The window will be provided in the PN junction. That light will be detect and it convert into electrical energy. So that actually the function of the photodiode takes place. Let us see how it will be actually works. Okay, that will be discussed. So here the PN junction or a diode is having two semiconductors. It is made up of two semiconductors. One is the P type semiconductor and another is the N type of semiconductor. P type and N type. Let's take the two type of semiconductor together. We will make the giant. So what happens here? In the P type of the semiconductor, the majority carrier are the holes. Holes are there. And in the N type of semiconductor, it is having electrons. Electrons will be more. So to near of this two p-n junction, the electrons will be moved towards the P type of semiconductor. The electron will be attracted by this hole. So naturally the electrons will be going to this side, and this electron will be going to this, and this electron will go into hole, and this electron will go into the combine, and this movement of electron into this hole, the atom of this will all will become neutralized. The neutralized. So then what is happened? Here is a shortage of the electron is exist. So due to the shortage of electron, so the electrons will be disappeared due to the movement from this region to that region. So the region is we call as a neutralized region. So here we develop the field, that is a shortage of the electron due to it will be create the positive field. It will be create the positive field. So this positive field will be created this side and this side due to the neutralization of this. Here is the shortage of holes. Then this is the region it becomes a negative field. Negative field is created. So due to this negative region and positive region, there will be a depletion region will be existed. So this is the region we call it as a depletion region. So this depletion region, it avoids the further movement of electron from this side to this side. So this is the area or a department. It is called as the area of this. It is called as a department of what is a neutralized atom. Neutralized atom it is called. So once simply suppose you have connect the reverse bias of this PN junction, what happens? So the P type is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and N type of semiconductor N is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So this is the connection is called as a reverse bias connection. Due to the negative polarity of this P junction, the presence of the small, that is a minority carrier, the electrons will be repelled and it will be moved towards this, and what happens, the depletion region will be much again increases due to the repulsion of the minority carrier. Here in this minority carrier are the electrons. Electrons are repelled and it move towards the region of this. The depletion region again it will be get increases. Due to increase of this and movement of these minority carriers, so there will be a So this is the reverse connection here, and the reverse current will be flows. Normal diode, if you take the VI characteristics, the VI characteristics like this. So here reverse characteristic, this is the breakdown voltage and this is the reverse saturated current. It always flows the reverse saturated current. This current is called as a normal current. Normal current. Normal current will be flows from this direction to this direction. So here the normal current. Now suppose this is the simple device. You have to make it as a photo detector or a photodiode. What you have to do? You have to take the light of energy is fall into the depletion region. Fall into the depletion region of this. Once it is a fall into the depletion region, what is your falling? A energy, a photon it is, a light energy. That energy field incident on this is what is the region is a neutralized atoms. Neutralized atom is electron and hole, electron and hole, electron and hole, that is combined neutralized atom is. Once it is light is come incident on that atom, then electrons will be get excited from the out of the atom. So electron will become free out of the atom. So electron will be excited. So this electron released out of this atom, then it will become the charge carrier, that is a negative charge it becomes. And due to the vacant of this electron from this atom, there will be created a hole. So this will become as a positive charge. Electron charge and positive charge, both will be separated. So that will be the carrier of the current it becomes. Similarly, so many number of atoms will be there. Once it is a light incident, that due to the force of light, the electrons will be come out of the orbit of the atom. So the charge carrier, negative charge carrier and positive charge carrier will be created. So due to creation of this charge carrier in this depletion region, so negative depletion region will become to move towards this side, and the depletion region will be small, will become smaller, less. Okay. Then due to that decrease of the depletion region, the current will be flow takes place. The current will be get flow. That is the more number of carrier charges available than the normal current. So this changes in the normal current to the once fall the incident line onto that depletion region by increasing the major number of charge carriers. So the normally the current also get increases. Current also here get increases. So detecting the increased current, we can identify that the light has been detected. The light has been detected. For example, let us take the example which the numeric number. So suppose the normal current of this diode without falling the photon onto the depletion region, let us take the 20 microamp. 20 microamp. Once it is falls the light onto the depletion region, the current obviously because of the energy of that light, it break the or it create the electron charge and the positive hole charges that will become a carrier of the current. So obviously the current will be get increases. The current increases, let us it reads maybe up to 25 microamp. So it changes from 20 microamp to 25 microamp. So observing this current 25 microamp from the 20 microamp jump that detect the light incident on the depletion region, or it will be act as a detecting of the light. Detecting of the light. By counting the number of times, light detection, we can use this as a counter. It is used as a counter. For example, the counting of the number of person is get entered into the room. How it will be made count? Once the person is entered at the door, the person will be block the light incident on the photodiode. Then what it is happen? The current will be decreases. Once the leave the person from that door, again what happens? The light will be incident on the photo detector or photodiode. So what happens that the current will be get increases. By increase and decrease of the current, increase and decrease of the current, by counting these changes of the current in the circuit, by using some programmed microcontroller or microprocessor, we can count the number of persons who has been entered into that type of application. This type of diode, this device will be uses. Okay, and another example very usually you will see in the bank, the counting of the currency notes. The counting of the currency notes, what it is the currency notes will put into the machine. What is the logic is there behind that? The logic is behind here. This is the changes in the current. So once the note in between the device stop the incident of the light onto the diode. So the current will be one normal current. Once it is open exit from the path of the light, so then it will be get changes to the current is to 25 micron. So changes in the current from 20 to 25, 25 to 20. By counting of that, we can identify or count the number of nodes we can identify. So this is another example. Similarly, you have plenty of application. This photodiode will be used in accelerometer, in automobiles industry, some automated industrial cases. This is the diode function the users takes in counting operations. So this in this video you should be major concentration you have to give how the incident light will be incident on that region, how it will be increases the charge carrier. That is the concept is here very important. So here four different topics, four way the photodiode we have studied. That is what is photodiode, convert light energy into the electric energy. So the operation of the photodiode is in the what type of BIOS? It is a reverse BIOS. You have connected reverse BIOS connection. And what is the current is detecting is a saturated current, normal current to the photo detected current. That is the changes based on it will be detection of current light can be possible. And what is the use of the this photodiode? It uses as a counter major application. Okay, so this is about the photodiode. Okay, so